Welcome back to another episode of The King's Bird. I'm Mindlogged, and today we're going to be continuing our parkourous adventurous. Indeed. Ah, frick. Woo! Oh shit. Oh shoot. Dang, that's kind of hard to pull off. What do I do here? Oh my god. I made it. I made it. Woo! All right. We did it. And we escaped. Amazing. This is cool. All right. Oh. Acorns? All right. They grabbed a fruit from the thing and they were like, hey you, do you want this for whatever you have? Yeah, that's how trading started. Wait, what? Wait, what was that? Ooh, Quiet Valley Woods. What, I want to enter. What is it now? Okay, I changed it to A. Twin Tree Village. What? Look at all this stuff. Sure? I'll go in there. What is it? Oh, this is so pretty! Oh, I almost fell. Oh my god. No! I'm so bad. Got him. Jesus. How can I make that? Alright, bucko, alright. What, I have to get that again? Easy. Oh. Alright. Whoa, whoa there. Elegante. Shit. I'm so bad. At least the landscape's pretty. I'm sure this is like a challenge thing, because this has gotta be like oh, okay, so I gotta speed through the entire way through with dashes. Oh my god! I'm a fucking legend! Oh shit. Okay. This can't be like an actual level, right? Come on, just I'm trying to press the things, it's just really hard on a keyboard. I wish I had a controller that I could just hook up. Okay. This is the challenge thing, right? I'm not this dumb normally. Come on. Unleash the special techniques. Jesus Christ, I'm so bad at this. Why? Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Oh, I got it robbed away from me! Interesting platforming. Oh my god, it's not doing the technique. Alright. Fuck! I'm gonna get angry at this game. No, what the f- I was flailing around for 20 minutes of my time. I keep pressing that stupid technique to do it, but it's like, no, you bro. Chill with the dashes for a second, kid. Gosh dang it. I'm getting so frustrated at this game. Sick. Okay, I got that stupid dragonfly. Why can't I do that technique again? What is up with me? Are my inputs just bad? Thank you. I hate this. Come on. I'm so tired of this game. Come on, why won't... What the fuck? What am I supposed to do there? Okay, fuck, dude. No, what? Alright, so you rose up from... You rose up from other shit. This is a challenge thing. Fuck it. Leaderboards and shit. I don't wanna fuck with this. No, get me out of here. What is this? I want to do the story. Okay, so that's death. Alright. I'm just awful at this game, I think. What is this? So what do I do? Okay, so I gotcha, Huh? What do I do here? What? Okay, let's... Oh, I forgot to jump. What about here? No? What do I do here? What do I... Is this, there's no way I have to go through Quiet Valley Woods. I have to go here. You're joking. Yeah, Forest Kingdom, yeah. Oh no, it just leads me back. Fuck, dude. I guess I just have to pass this. Why? Is that it? I'm so confused. I'm so confused to how to... Huh. No, fuck. Please get up. No! Fuck! What the hell? Fucking finally! I wonder if I could just do a sick turn. Hold on. I could fucking do it, actually. Oh my god, I did! Ah! Okay. So, hold on. I could do it. Oh my god. I missed that thing. No! I did my sick turn. Come on. Woo! Fuck you! Yee! Alright, so... Z, huh? I did Z. Okay, so... I did Z. I did them at the same time. Whoa there! Oh, whoa! I still lived? Come on, what? I'm pressing the buttons. Okay, so... What the hell? Alright. Come on, I'm doing the buttons. No, I came so far! I came so far! Help me live. Oh my god. Yes! I'm conquering this. On the next time, I'll be continuing this. God damn it. I'm just so bad. I'm mind logged and I'm logging off.